Jenny, are you ready for a big bouncy forest adventure today?
Is it safe? Mommy said the forest has grumpy, growly animals.
Don't worry, this is not just any forest. It's the bee forest. B for best day ever.
Wait, do you mean letter B? Sounds like ba. Ba. B?
Yep, B for bananas. So many banana trees. And B for bees buzzing around big honey hives. Yum, yum. And B for bunnies.
Bunnies? And bananas? No grumpy animals? Okay, Arjun. The bee forest sounds amazing. Let's go.
Oh! There's a big grumpy bear coming this way.
Oh no! What do we do now? Run? Fly? Vanish?
Quick! We have to climb that tree and hide.
But I don't know how to climb trees. I'm not a monkey.
Hurry, Jenny. He's getting closer. Jenny, come on. You've got to try. It's the only way.
Wait! I remember something. Brown bears don't bother things that look dead. I'll just pretend to be a sleepy rock.
Jenny, are you okay? That bear was so close.
Phew, I'm okay. That was super scary.
Hey, what did the bear whisper in your ear? Was it a secret honey recipe?
Nope, he said. Real friends don't climb trees and leave you like a pancake on the ground.
I guess I kinda panicked. Jenny,
Remember, good friends stay side by side, even when things get scary.